We're doing a roof runoff system in Troy, Michigan. We're running the 3.5 inch. Now we jump up to a 4-inch main. We tie these two 3.5 inch to a 4-inch Y. I wanted to show you how we do this. A lot of people are asking, how do you do this? So we have a 3.5 to 4-inch increaser. It's an increaser in this case. Now, this is the top, this is the bottom. The reason why you want this on the bottom, you want both pipes to be laying flat on your trench that you work so hard to get the perfect slope. You don't want to put it like this because one pipe will be higher than the other. Now, if you purposely dig shallower where there's 3.5 inch, you can do this. And then all of a sudden you go deeper. We dug this with an excavator, so we got it all flat on one slope. You can see how the guys tied in the 3.5 to 4-inch increaser. We have a lot of flow here. We have a lot of water here. We know that. So we want to go up to a 4-inch main on this. We have the 4-inch main. Now we're going to add a third 3.5 inch pipe right here. Same thing. We have the 3.5 to 4-inch increaser. This is just 4 to 4, 3.5 to 4. And you can see there's another downspout way over there. The guys did a great job, ran that all the way to here. We're on 4-inch main, 4-inch main. The guys took this all the way to the ditch, and we're just using a flow gate. We're not using a pop-up. Anytime you can do that, you want to end it with one of our flow gates. 3.5 inch pipe, look how nice that is. You know, we're working in this older landscape. We got rhododendrons. Try not to disturb the root system on those. The guys were able to dig nice and shallow with that 3.5 inch pipe. Got our catch basin. We couldn't put the catch basin behind the shrubs. We got to put it where the homeowner can work with it and access it. Nice long run of solid 3.5 inch. We go to solid 4-inch all the way to the ditch. The guys are running a downspout to the ditch. Leaf filter, catch basin, 3.5 solid all the way, 3.5 solid all the way. The guys are going to take it to a flow gate. So when we run a downspout all the way to the ditch, we put it on a flow gate. When we can get around using a pop-up, we'll just use a flow gate, a nice gate valve like this. Just snap this on your 3.5 inch line. That's it. Really simple. You're not going to hold any water when you do it this way.
If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. It supports the channel. If you have any questions about yard drainage, leave them in the comments section. I'm your host, Robert Sherwood, and until the next video.